This is the MyPilotPro Spider Mount Bundle. These mounts attach to surfaces that most standard suction cups can't handle, and are compatible with all action cameras, including GoPro. The bundle includes the Spider Swivel, Spider, and the MyPilotPro GoPro wrench. These mounts were designed around the need to attach to any windshield, no matter its shape or size. These windshield mounts are milled from aircraft aluminum and are outfitted with stainless steel hardware. The mounts have a neoprene washer that eliminates aircraft vibration. All are designed for aircraft interiors, not exterior. Also, all these products are made and assembled in America. These mounts were designed around the need to attach to any windshield, no matter its shape or size. Simply moisten all 3 suction cups, place it where you want it, and firmly push down on the tops of the 3 suction cups. Releasing the suction cups is just as easy. Simply pull on the tab on each suction cup and they will release.